Hello there, Doverne School. Today we're going to be continuing with our pattern work that we started yesterday. I want to play a little game with you, so I'm going to do a simple action pattern and I want you to join in with me. I'm going to stop suddenly and I want to see if you can shout out what the next action should be. See if you can keep going with the action pattern. Here we go. Clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, clap. See if you can join in. Tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, clap. What comes next? That's right, it's tap. Let's try another one. Hand, fist, hand, fist, hand, fist, hand, fist, hand, fist. What's next? That's right, it's hand. You're really getting the hang of these patterns. When it's just two actions in a pattern, we call it an A-B pattern because it goes like this. A-B, A-B, A-B. We can make patterns using words like we found out in our story yesterday. We could do up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We could use our phonic sounds for our patterns. Things like sh, ch, sh, ch, sh, ch. We're just using two different sounds, two different actions, and therefore it's an A-B pattern. We can start to make our patterns a little bit trickier by maybe adding three actions. Those are called A-B-C patterns. Let's have a go. Tap, clap, wiggle. Tap, clap, wiggle. Join in. Tap, clap, wiggle. Tap, clap, wiggle. Tap, clap. What do you think comes next? Yes, it's the wiggle. Well done. One more actions. Here we go. Hand, fist, thumb. Hand, fist, thumb. Hand, fist, thumb. Hand, fist, thumb. Hand. What comes next? That's right, it's fist. I often find it's much easier to remember the pattern if I say what I'm doing out loud. Now, we can make these A-B and A-B patterns, not just with our bodies and with words, but we can use different objects. And this is where it really gets fun. And you can find anything lying around your house to help you with these patterns. I've got some paper clips here. I'm going to do a A-B pattern, which means I'm going to choose two objects to repeat in a pattern. So I'm going to do blue and red, and blue and red, and blue and red. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. That's right. I've got a repeating pattern. Say it with me. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. And I can keep going until I've run out of paper clips. Let's try another one. I've got these lovely beads here that I found, and I've got two different types. I've got some big ones and some small ones, and I'm going to make a repeating A-B pattern with my beads. Small, big, small, big, small, big. Which one shall I choose next, do you think? Small, big, small, big, small, big. That's right, small. And on I go, small, big, small, big. Keep going and going and going. So that's my A-B patterns using some objects. Shall we be really clever and try some A-B-C patterns? Can I use just red and blue for my ABC? Or do you think I need to choose another colour to make the third part. Yes, I'm going to choose another colour. I found some pink paper clips. I'll just bring them over to my pile. Okay. Red, I'm going to go A, B, C. A, B, C. So I'm going to do red, blue, pink. Red, blue, pink. Say it with me. Red, blue, pink. Red, blue, pink. Red, blue, pink. And I can just keep going and going. It's always a good idea though to go back and check that you've got them in the right order by saying them out loud. Red, blue, pink. Red, blue, pink. Red, blue, pink. If your mummy and daddy have got some different coloured pegs at home or anything, you can use your toys. Look, I've got some fantastic little creatures, some little animals. I'm going to try and do a repeating pattern. I'm going to use a crocodile, a frog, a crocodile, a frog. Which one should come next? Crocodile, frog, crocodile, frog. That's right. Crocodile, then frog. Might try an ABC, a 3 repeating pattern. I'm going to leave those there and I'm going to add a lizard. Lizard, crocodile, frog. Lizard, crocodile, frog. Lizard, crocodile, frog. Yes! Lizard, crocodile, frog. Lizard, crocodile, frog. Lizard, crocodile, frog. Wow, what a super ABC pattern. Although I wouldn't like to be sitting right there with all those crocodiles looking at me with those open mouths. See what you can find in your house to make some AB and ABC repeating patterns. One last way that you can practice your patterns is by drawing some of your own. And for this, I'm going to use my felt tips. If I want to do an AB repeating pattern, I'm just going to use 2 colours. But if I want to do an ABC repeating pattern, I might choose 3. If I'm feeling really clever, I could even do a repeating pattern of 4, which would make it an ABCD pattern. I reckon you could be really clever and keep your patterns going on for a long, long time. I think I'm just going to do an ABC today. Red spot, green spot, purple spot. It's going to be red, isn't it? Because that was the first colour I used. Red, green, purple. Red, green, purple. Red, green, purple. Tell me what comes next. That's right, red. Then green, then purple. Here's a challenge for you. See if you can start a repeating pattern with your coloured pens or pencils and ask if your parents can finish the pattern off for you. Make it nice and tricky for them, won't you? I think we've done enough with our repeating patterns for today. I want you to go off around your house and see what you can find to make your own patterns. And tomorrow we'll be back and we'll try a few more difficult patterns, getting a little bit trickier. I'm sure you're ready for it. Take care. Bye-bye.